Do you think that email marketing doesn't work? Well, think again, my friend. Today, I'm making a case for why you should absolutely be using email marketing in 2022. Hey there, I'm Lisa Suazo, your Marketing and Technology Director with West, here with today's Nerd Nugget, your bite-sized marketing technology tip that you can implement into your business today. Today, I want to make a case for why I think you should implement more email marketing into your mix in 2022 and why I certainly am going to be as well. Let me start with the numbers to kind of drive this point home. So according to the Digital Marketing Association, in 2010, the return on email marketing was $40 for every $1 spent. Then by 2019, it was up to $42 for every $1 spent. And at a Tom Ferry event I went to last year in 2021, he actually showed a stat that showed that the return was up to $44 for every $1 spent. That, my friends, is a 4,400% return. Also, for any of you who may be tired of social media, maybe you spent money on ads that haven't worked, according to a McKinsey report, email is 40 times more effective at acquiring new customers than Facebook. Now, if email marketing has the potential to be so valuable, but you're thinking, I've never seen those kind of results. In this Nerd Nugget, I want to help you change that. If you want to create email marketing campaigns that will actually drive really great results, here are 3 basic principles that you can follow. Number 1, don't buy lists. The value of email marketing is in building a personal relationship with the person on the other end of that email address. So it works best for people who've already opted in to receive communication from you. A random list of people who did not ask for your content is not going to deliver the results you're looking for. So yeah, you may be casting a wider net, but I guarantee you your open rates are gonna suffer, it's gonna hurt your email deliverability in the long run, and your emails may be seen as really annoying or irrelevant, and they may get you reported as spam. So I'm not sure about you, but I hate getting spam emails from people that I have no idea who they are, or if it's some marketing service, I immediately delete them. So I encourage you not to be part of that digital pollution out there, and consider, why would you market to someone in a way that you don't want to be marketed to? So if you wouldn't want to receive that email out there, don't send it. So don't buy lists. Secondly, you want to deliver consistent value. So one of the ways to build trust and make sure that people actually look forward to your emails and continue to open them is if you deliver value consistently every single time. So you want to put yourself into the mind of your email recipient and think about, what are the things that they care about? What would they love to open? What would improve their life? What would they look forward to receiving from you every week or every month? So maybe it's a cool events happening in their area this month. Or maybe it's a cool spotlight on a local business that they could check out. Maybe it's market statistics, right? Maybe it's a home value tool like HomeBot that they can look at. Or maybe it's a combination of all of those things. The deal is that when you send people stuff that they actually find value in and you deliver it on a regular basis, they get used to it. You build trust, credibility, the open rates go up, and then you actually earn more business from your emails. Thirdly is segment your list. So segmentation is dividing your list or your database into smaller segments based on specific criteria. So this is usually used in marketing as a way to personalize your content so that you're actually delivering more relevant messaging to people based on different things. Could be their geographic location, their interests, were they a buyer, were they a seller, what are their past behaviors in terms of opening your emails or registering for events. So when you segment your audience, it can take a lot more time and energy on the front end. It can take a little bit more creativity to send different emails, more so than sending a blanket email to everybody in your database, but it's worth it. According to Campaign Monitor, segmented campaigns led to a 760% increase in revenue. And so in today's marketing landscape, really, the fastest path to more deals and revenue in your business is relevancy, and that's what segmentation does for you. So that's it. Don't buy lists, deliver value every time, and segment your audience. So what do you think? Are you inspired to try a little bit more email marketing? Do you feel like these things are helpful? Do you feel like it's worthwhile, or do you still have reservations? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So Post a comment below this video, and of course, if you're a real estate agent or loan officer and you'd like to discuss improving your email strategy, I'd love to help you out. So please connect with me via email or any of the social channels you see below. Thank you as always for watching, and we'll see you next time.